Hi there everybody and welcome to Daring Beefcake. Here I have this VW Golf Mark 7. This is a 2014 and if you get this message, change the key battery, it means change the battery in the fob here, and that's what I'm gonna show you how to do now. So just to show you, at the moment I can lock the car and unlock the car, but obviously it's asking to replace the battery, and before we get stuck without the remote, we better change the battery. Obviously you still have the emergency key. If this stops working, you can still access the car, but it's a good idea to change the battery so you keep having your remote functioning. And after changing the battery, normally you don't really need any programming, so we'll see that once I replace this. Right, if you get yourself a flathead screwdriver and you just put it on the side there and you flick this, you'll be able to just open that cover there. It will open a little bit there, so basically you can then remove this. You might need to do a little bit more here. Just need to hold that. Right, so if you just flick your screwdriver in there like so, it will pop this little cover open, and in there is that battery CR2025. So I've got one here ready to go in. I may need a tiny flathead screwdriver or so just to pinch this battery out of here. Okay, that jumped out. Basically you just, through this little hole here, if you push it back a little bit, if you push the battery back a little bit to release it from this tiny little clip here, it should come out, and then we are ready to get our new battery in there. So I've got a Philips battery there. Push it in there and lock it into place, and then put the little plastic cover back on, and that's it. You can see the little light LED there is working. I can already hear the car working as well, by the way. So here's the car. Unlock. And lock. So there we are. No programming needed. Just change the battery and you're done. So now the dash shouldn't really ask to change the battery on the remote. So there we are, no more message coming up. And car starts just fine. So that's pretty much it. I hope the video helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. So thank you for watching.